What's up everyone, it's your girl Bree. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is very self-explanatory, so let's jump right into the video. Okay, so first you're going to take an eyebrow brush and brush your eyebrows upwards until you like how they are laying. Then using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the color dark brown and an angled makeup brush, you're basically going to trace under your natural eyebrow, starting from the middle of your eye to the end of the eyebrow tail. You don't want to start from the very front because the harsh line doesn't look natural. Next, you're going to trace the arch of your eyebrow to the eyebrow tail and then slowly shade in the eyebrow. Also, don't forget to use the eyebrow brush to blend in the product just a little bit better. Apply the product going vertically and try to be as light-handed as possible. Light-handed. Is that even a word, y'all? I don't even know if that's a word, but just try to not be heavy-handed, okay? Okay, so after you're done with that first eyebrow, you're just going to repeat the whole process on your other eyebrow and try to do the same thing symmetrically. So with that being said, I didn't look at the camera, y'all. I couldn't. I just don't like how I use the camera to do my makeup. I'm used to using mirrors. So with this eyebrow, I had to look down at the mirror. Next, you can take some concealer or foundation to touch up your eyebrows. I use this MAC foundation that I got from AliExpress. This color is way too light for me to use as a foundation, so instead of throwing it away, I decided to use this for my eyebrows only. Using the same brush I used for my eyebrows, I go ahead and trace underneath and above my eyebrow for a neater and cleaner look. Don't forget to apply your concealer to the other side as well. After I'm done applying the concealer, I usually take a moment to see if both of my eyebrows are symmetrical. Made it time to do what I had to do. Caught in the life, I can let it go. It's right, we'll never know. So now you're going to take a wet sponge and blend all the product around your eyebrow in. Usually I use an angled sponge to do my eyebrows. I just couldn't find it, so I had to make the beauty blender work. So now I'm going to put on the Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter by Fenty, just a little bit underneath my eyebrows using just a small brush. You don't want to put too much because it could be overkill. Just a little bit of something to make my eyebrows pop. Okay guys, that's it for my eyebrow tutorial. The whole process took about 10 minutes. If you want more easy to follow tutorials, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also click that like button and comment below what content you guys want to see from me next. Alright guys, sincerely, Bree.